Continuing on with the PNW adventure. Last stop, last episode was Smith Rock. Welcome to Trillium Lake Loop Trail, Oregon. This is about a 2-mile loop trail, goes around the lake, and you have the beautiful Mount Hood showcased in the distance with reflections in the water. Unfortunately, you can't always get what you want. I was a bit sad, but let me fix it for you.
You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want.
This looks realistic. You can't even tell. That is perfect. I say take a picture.
If you try sometimes, you just might find you get what you need.
We made tracks on this rainy day, heading to Cascade Locks in Portland. Here in Cascade Locks, it looks like the sky is clearing up. We stopped, we took in the sights, we had a little bite to eat, and this is a view from our restaurant. Oh yeah, the skies are clearing up. Heading to the campground, and here it is. Portland East KOA holiday. For now, we're going to settle down and enjoy our last night in the RV. Next morning, we're driving on or through the Columbia River Gorge National Scenic Area. It's really a beautiful drive with views of the Cascade Mountains. Today is the last day with this RV. Our drop-off destination is Oregon International Airport. In this short drive of about 50 miles, we have several waterfalls to visit. First stop, Horsetail Falls.
I knew a boy, I knew a man who looked a lot like you.
Looks like a horsetail.
I knew a time you could stand still.
This is the Oneonta Tunnel, carved through a rock.
Never flashing by.
There's a lot to see on this short drive. Before we head to more waterfalls, we figured we'd get out and take a look at the tunnel.
Into peace of mind. I knew a time, I knew a place, felt a lot like you.
If you read the sign, you'll see that there's 2 trails you can take. We decided on the Bridal Veil Falls trail. It took us longer than we thought, but the waterfalls are beautiful.
I knew a boy who was swallowed by the sky.
The main character.
I knew a man who was lost in the big dark.
Well, this is Latourell Falls. It's our last waterfall for today. We could just stop here and get a great view of the waterfall, but we decided to hike on further down to the base of it, which is really, really cool. The waterfalls are falling over basalt pillars or columns, which look really cool. I hope I can get it on video here. This looks magical. You have this awesome waterfall and flower petals blowing in the wind like snow.
I knew a place you could go for your head to explore. Into peace of mind.
Very lush and green. We're going to take a walk down there and have a closer look. We're heading down to the base of the falls. We stop on occasion, just take it all in.
Looked a lot like you.
It really doesn't look that tall or that big, but when you get to the bottom of it, I'll show you here the perspective. I'll focus in on a tiny lady and zoom on out. Now that we're closer to the falls, we get a closer look at the basalt. Well, we're going to head to the airport, not to take a flight. We're going to return this RV to the people that we rented it from. We'll pick up a car for the rest of our adventure. Not sure how or why we ended up with this car, but it's kind of cool.
All my friends know the low rider.
Well, this is a road trip. We got to make tracks. We got to hurry up and get to our haunted house we're going to sleep in tonight. We get to take a bathroom break with the view of Mount St. Helens. As we travel north up through the Pacific Northwest, looks like moss is growing on everything. And at this point, we're thinking we just might see Bigfoot. And here it is, the haunted cabin. Let's just say we did not sleep well that night. The view out the front window is nice though. I wonder what Bigfoot thinks of it.